Hey guys, so I'm showing you this 38-year-old oven range. It's a Whirlpool, 38 years old, and I've had it for, I don't know, almost 20 years, 15 to 20 years. See, it has an old school clock. I don't even know if some people out there don't know how to read them. And I've never replaced anything. I mean, it's still in good condition, although I have a home warranty plan, and they said they would not repair or replace our 38-year-old oven. It's charming, isn't it? And so we wound up fixing it ourselves. We got a universal element, and we put the element in the bottom, and now it works. And you can get those on Amazon. I got ours at Nellis auction this time for $1. And so we fixed it, and now it's as good as new and nothing wrong with it. So we're keeping the 38-year-old oven for right now. Home warranty plans, I guess, have this thing about devaluation where they don't cover things that are, they said it has no value. So you have to just go get a new oven on appliances that are too old. But anyway, there's our oven.